Stage 2 of Campbelltown Hospital Redevelopment will deliver a range of mental health services across the lifespan. On completion of the new clinical services building, Campbelltown Hospital will be a major hub for mental health care in the Macarthur region and in southwest Sydney more generally. A key component of the project is the integration of mental health care into the main hospital building, which will greatly enhance service delivery. The mental health services will include a range of units catering for people across the age spectrum. So we'll have a short stay unit and child and adolescent, youth, adult services, providing for a range of different needs. As part of the New South Wales Government's $700 million statewide mental health infrastructure program, Campbelltown Hospital will also receive a modern 20-bed older persons mental health unit and a civil rehabilitation unit for adults, which is fantastic for our local community and beyond. A range of new spaces will be delivered to support modern models of trauma-informed mental health care. These spaces include sensory rooms, de-escalation rooms, lovely light-filled courtyards, activity rooms including activity kitchens. These will all support the recovery of people in our new mental health units. Service capacity will be greatly increased when we open the new mental health beds at Campbelltown. For example, child and adolescent beds will be almost double, and we're increasing the number of specialised beds for people needing a higher level of care. The most exciting part of this project for me is to know that the community will have access to an expanded range of mental health care in a modern, purpose-designed facility, one that they will be very proud of. The delivery of therapeutic spaces with beautiful views of the surrounding district will be a wonderful place to recover.
The project has actually included an extensive consultation process through the user groups. This has helped ensure the spaces and services provided when the doors open in 2022 is reflecting the needs of those accessing and working within the services. Staff across a range of disciplines, together with carers and consumers, have been part of the process. Community representatives have been actively involved and have shaped the look and feel of our future mental health services through participation in the functional and schematic designs process. Now that the new building is taking shape, it's really exciting to be able to go on site walks and see the new areas. This is helping us understand how we will work in these new areas. More and more frontline mental health staff will have the opportunity to view their new working spaces as the fit-out progresses throughout the year. We've really appreciated and valued the way the planning project has embraced the input of the staff and the community. We've played a significant role in the development of everything from floor layout to interior design elements. This process has given us all a sense of ownership and great pride on what will be delivered on the completion of the building next year. I'm looking forward to having the equipment and the new spaces in the new building that will help us deliver modern mental health care.
Since the new building reached full height in February this year, our focus has shifted to things like installation of windows and external cladding. We're also doing a lot of work inside the building to fit out new spaces and create a new connection from the new clinical services building to existing hospital buildings on site, which we're calling Hospital Street. Mac and Arthur, the two tower cranes that we've all become familiar with on the Campbelltown skyline, will soon disappear from sight and scaffolding will start to come down, revealing the facade of the new building. Outside, works are continuing in P1 car park to prepare the space for the future emergency department service and ensure that patients, visitors and ambulances have easy access. Over the coming months, we'll still continue to see changes on site as the building becomes watertight, the scaffolding continues coming down, and a hive of activity is undertaken inside to continue fit out of the new space. Our refurbishment program on current buildings will also continue, and later in the year we'll commence construction on a dental clinic, the first of its kind for the Campbelltown Hospital campus.